Hey, hello everybody, and welcome to Elite Weather. My name is Mr. G, and you are watching your weather today. And we're going to be talking about tomorrow's weather forecast, and we're going to be heading into our Thursday now. And I hope you guys are all having a good week. And we've been seeing all that rain across portions of the mid-south, and we've been seeing that through the lower Appalachian mountain range to Tennessee and Kentucky and into Arkansas as well. So we've been seeing a lot of heavy rain across that region and into the Ozarks. So let's take a look at our first weather map, and this is going to be our morning forecast across America tomorrow. And we're going to be looking at this large area of rainfall that's going to be happening across the mid-Mississippi Valley and into portions of Kentucky and western Tennessee as well. So but Nashville and Memphis is going to be seeing that heavy rain, as well as up into St. Louis, Missouri also could see heavy rain. But we can pick up about 1 to 2 inches of rain tomorrow across portions of the mid-south. And we have this area of low pressure and a trough of low pressure right here that's going to be rolling out of Texas. A little bit of snow might form here across the northwest of this storm system as well. So we're going to be seeing a little bit of snow across the central plains. Nice weather across the Great Lakes and into the northeast, but it's going to be cold here across the northern plains, Minnesota and the Dakotas, and into Montana. We're going to be seeing those single digit below zero temperatures as well. Our next Pacific storm comes on shore tomorrow morning, so we're going to be seeing snow in the Cascades and rain down in the valley. So Seattle and Portland and Northern California will be seeing that rainfall, but in the higher elevations above 4,000 feet, we're going to be dealing with some snow. And we're going to be picking up at least a foot of snow tomorrow there across the Cascades, the Cascade Mountain Range through the state of Washington. All right, and in the evening hours, that snow will increase through the the Pacific Northwest and into the valleys to the east of the Cascade Mountain Range. Snow levels will be low enough to see snow in Spokane and Medford, Oregon. So we're going to be seeing a lot of snow across the Pacific Northwest. And of course, I-90, I-84, we're going to be seeing travel headaches galore there through the mountains and through I-5. I mean, you got a long drive through I-5 through Oregon and into Washington and out of Northern California. And we're going to start to see rain just north of San Francisco tomorrow night. So the Bay Area is going to begin to see that rainfall, and eventually that rainfall is going to make it south towards LA and San Diego. But that rain is going to continue across the Midwest, and we're going to be seeing some snow across the central to northern plains. So that snow is going to be moving into South Dakota and Nebraska, and more heavy rain down here across the southeast and the central Appalachian mountain range. Now here we are as we take a look at our bus stop forecast for Durham, North Carolina, and this is by request from one of our viewers, and thank you for watching and putting in your submittal for our city of the day. And that city of the day is Durham, North Carolina. And your forecast tomorrow, your morning bus stop forecast, is going to be for mostly cloudy skies with a few showers tomorrow morning, some light drizzle or some showers. It's going to be around in the morning hours, and you're going to see a high tomorrow of 60 degrees, and in the evening hours when you catch that bus to come home, or in the evening when your kids catch the school bus, at the end of the day, you're going to see an overnight low of 48 degrees with an increase in that rainfall. So that rain is going to pick up as that rain is starting to be going to move more towards into the eastern edges of North Carolina. So we're going to see that increase in that rainfall tomorrow evening. Here is your 5-day forecast for Durham, North Carolina, and that rain is going to be there Thursday and into Friday with those temperatures of 61 degrees tomorrow, 50 degrees on Friday, and things will start to dry out as you head into the weekend with those temperatures in the lower 50s to mid 50s under partly cloudy skies. A little bit more sunshine at the beginning of next week into Monday with just a few clouds, but a little bit more sun and a high of 54 by the time we get to the end of our 5-day forecast. Now, here we are with our current conditions, and here is our current situation, and we're looking at all of that rain through the Ozarks right here and the Southern Plains, so Oklahoma, northern Texas, southern Missouri, and Arkansas. We're seeing a lot of heavy rain, some more showers here through the northern sections of Alabama and Mississippi and North Georgia. So we're seeing a few more showers here and a few snow showers there through portions of the Great Lakes, but not a whole lot, and more snow here through the Central Rockies right now. And as far as our current temperatures are concerned, we're seeing that really cold air across the northern plains as that dip in the jet stream across the nation's midsection and through the mid-south. Our jet stream is kind of coming in off of the Pacific Northwest and dropping down across the Rockies and through the Central Plains and Southern Plains, and then curving around going off toward the northeast. So we're seeing that cold air being allowed to spill in to the Pacific North through the Central Plains and the northern plains. So look how cold it is up in northern Minnesota. Negative 14 at International Falls. So we're seeing some negative temperatures. Here is a negative 7 degrees here near Fargo. So very cold. Overnight lows tonight. So very, very, very cold. I mean, oh boy, it's really cold. And now right here is our jet stream situation, and we're going to be seeing those storm systems one after the other coming along our jet stream through the nation's midsection, down across the central and southern plains, and through the mid-south before the jet stream turns toward the northeast and head out toward the mid-Atlantic. So we're going to continue to see those storms passing through that region, and that cold air is going to just get deeper and deeper across the northern plains and the Great Lakes. Here we are as we take a look at our snow forecast coming up for the next couple of days through Friday. And we're going to be seeing some snow here through the Midwest, through Iowa and Minnesota, and we're going to be seeing that through Wisconsin and Michigan as well. So some Midwest snow, and we're going to be picking up a few inches. In some areas can pick up a good 1 to 3 inches. 3 to 5 inches of snow is going to be possible through portions of southeastern Minnesota and northern Iowa and central Wisconsin. And here we are to take a look at the next storm that's going to be moving through the Midwest into the Ozark mountain range. So we're going to be seeing that heavy rain here continue. Arkansas, Missouri, where we could pick up a couple of more inches of rain and even some thunderstorms south of this front right here. So down in Arkansas and into Oklahoma, we might even see a few thunderstorms. Alright, so now that we're going to be taking a look at what your Friday might look like as far as that storm is concerned, we're going to have our triple point right here. This is going to be the catalyst where we could be seeing some severe weather if any thunderstorms initiate. It's going to be right in this region right here. We have a warm front that's lifted north, and we have our cold front, and then a little bit of an occlusion taking place in our frontal boundary as well as that cold air begins to overrun that warmer air. So we're going to be seeing a lot of fog in this region. Very sloppy situation across the southeastern U.S. with that big storm system that's going to be tracking on through, and then through Thursday and through into Sunday, here is our rainfall forecast. We're going to be getting up about another 1 to 2 inches through Kentucky and Missouri, so a very wet situation. That flooding can continue across that area as well. That is a look at your weather forecast for the next several days. My name is Mr. G, and remember, be safe out there, and remember to let me know what city and state you're from, and if you want your city to get featured in this program and have our city of the day, so just leave it in the chat what city you live in, and I'll try to use it in a future weather forecast. Alright, Mr. G here, signing out. Say everybody have a good night and take care of each other. I will see you guys all on the next video. Bye-bye.